In this video, we will look at 5 modern C++ features you should start using right now to level up your programming. Let's get started. Number 1. Use uniform initialization. Uniform initialization, introduced in C++ 11, provides a consistent way to initialize variables. Instead of using the following two syntaxes, C++ 11 allows us to use curly braces to initialize a variable. There are several benefits from that. First of all, a consistent syntax for initialization in different cases. Uniform initialization also prevents narrowing conversions. Another benefit is clearer semantics. You never have to wonder again if it is a constructor or a function call. Be careful though, because type deduction may lead to std initializer list if such a constructor exists or when using count. Number 2. Use smart pointers instead of managing memory directly. Don't use raw pointers, especially when owning a resource. Manually managing memory with new and delete is error-prone. Modern C++ offers smart pointers that automatically handle memory deallocation. The standard provides 3 types of smart pointers. The first one is unique pointer, which provides exclusive ownership over a resource. It cannot be copied, only moved, and it automatically deletes the owned object when it goes out of scope. The second one is shared pointer, which is a reference counted smart pointer for multiple ownership. The raw pointer is freed when all shared pointers go out of scope. The third one is weak pointer, which is just a non-owning reference to a shared pointer. It is useful for breaking circular dependencies or observing an object without affecting its lifetime. Number 3. Use structured bindings. Structured bindings allow unpacking objects like pair, tuple, or structs into individual variables, improving readability. That's also the easiest way to iterate a map in C++ 17. The last code looks like this with structured bindings. Number 4. Use C++ casting operators instead of C-style casts. C-style casts are too powerful and unsafe. They lack type safety and can silently cast away const, which is dangerous and error-prone. C++ provides 4 casting operators, each performing only a specific task and generating a compiler error if the operation is not allowed. Static cast is used for safe, compile time checked conversions between related types, for example, into double or base to derived class. Const cast adds or removes const from a variable. Be careful with this cast, use it only when you really know the object isn't truly const, otherwise it is undefined behavior. Reinterpret cast is used for casting between completely unrelated types, for example turning an integer into a pointer or one type of pointer into another. This type of cast is dangerous and it is used mostly for low-level code like hardware drivers. Dynamic cast is used for casting between polymorphic types. It performs runtime check if the cast is safe. In this example, if B isn't actually pointing to a derived, D will be no pointer. And we've come to the last one, which is replace C-style enums with scoped enums. C-style enums pollute the global scope and can cause name conflicts. For example, here, red and green are defined in bold color and traffic light. They also don't enforce type safety and can be implicitly converted to int. Scoped enums, on the other hand, fix all those problems. They don't pollute the current scope and don't allow implicit conversions to integer. They can also have a custom base type. Drop a comment below which one of those 5 features is your favorite. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.